It's almost morning and you haven't slept a wink. That bulky dental guard you bought for nighttime teeth grinding is keeping you up again, isn't it? Always falling out, causing excess drooling, feeling like you've got a hockey puck in your mouth. So you lay there, angry, awake, wondering if just grinding your teeth down to a pulp is a better option. But don't give up yet, there's a better way. That's right. Ora-GUARD by Dentemp is a partial coverage dental guard that offers full protection against nightly teeth grinding without the bulk. The slim profile guard custom forms without a tray and rests comfortably on the back of your teeth. Now you can finally get... Oh, you're already asleep. Ditch that bulky mouth guard and stop the nightly grind with Ora-GUARD by Dentemp.